Rudy here with a quick tip on why your riding lawnmower might not be starting. Now by not starting, I mean you hit the key, the engine spins, but it won't actually start. When you hit the key and nothing happens at all, that's a completely different problem. Alright, now this usually happens when you have a throttle control like this, where the choke and the throttle are mixed together. Now if you have a separate choke cable or a separate pull choke, that doesn't apply. Also, I'll give you some thoughts about auto choke towards the end of the video. Okay, so with the lever all the way up, okay, so I've gone ahead and removed the top of the engine. I've also removed this swoopy thing right here that connects to your air filter. But you don't have to remove any of these. I only did it so that you can see. Now, as you notice here, the butterfly is open on the carburetor, but when we choke it, look what we got. If you can notice, the choke isn't all the way closed, okay? Now the only way that this can happen, well, there's a couple of ways that this can happen. If somebody was messing around with the cable, for the throttle cable right here, all right, and they didn't adjust it correctly, that will cause that. Or if the screw wasn't tight enough, that could slip back a little bit, and then that would cause that problem too. But a quick way that you can tell without messing with any of this is to grab hold of this linkage right here. See if I can try not to block the camera. Right here, and just grab it with some pliers and go like that. If you can move it like that, see, notice the butterfly is closing, then that's your problem, see? Obviously we can grab it from here as well, or we could take this and push, but it kind of sticks, you know. So I think grabbing it from here with pliers is better, right here. All right, so the fix for that is very simple. Just loosen the screw and pull that all the way. Hold it there and tighten it up. All right. That will keep that from starting. All right, so here we go. Should be. Now this problem can also happen on an automatic choke lawnmower, which is going to be a different problem. Okay, so you should still try to get an eye on the butterfly if you have an automatic choke to see if it's closing all the way. There's different configurations of automatic chokes. Some have a thermostat on the muffler, and those do go bad, by the way. Some have a fin that works off of wind from the flywheel, and it has a spring so it returns back. It really just depends on what configuration you have, so you'll have to figure that out if you have an automatic choke. Okay, hope this video has been helpful for you. Like and sub this channel if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.